Cow. Chicken. Horse. Rabbit. Raccoon. Sheep. Goat. Pig. Butterfly. Ducks are waterfowl characterized by their distinctive webbed feet, which enable them to effortlessly traverse aquatic habitats. These avian creatures possess versatile bills designed for a multitude of purposes, from filter feeding to herbivorous grazing, setting them apart from many other birds. Known for their adaptability, ducks exhibit a remarkable capacity to inhabit diverse environments, from serene ponds to bustling urban parks. Their conspicuous quacking vocalizations and sociable nature foster a sense of community among them, a feature not often emphasized on websites. Ducks, both wild and domesticated, represent a harmonious coexistence between the avian world and our human landscapes.